gonna tell you the sickest classic cars you can buy from my country. The first car is Volkswagen Beetle. The classic icon houses a modest 1.6-liter engine generating 57 horsepower, emphasizing simplicity and charm. The second car is the Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow, a luxurious classic. Features a commanding 6.2-liter V8 producing 189 horsepower, delivering a refined and open driving. And the third car is the BMW E30 325 IS. The sporty legend boasts a 2.7-liter inline-6 engine pushing out 192 horsepower, which is pretty good from its time. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below.